All right, hey guys, I'll introduce you to the families in a little bit, but we have 3 families here. One living here and a new house putting up there. I'll show you their old house that it completely got tore down. It was down there. And then the 3rd house here. They're actually all families, so they're all related, but I'll just kind of show you the houses and maybe have a little chat with them. We actually met all 3 of them on the first day that we were giving away rice. They all had to evacuate here because their houses were destroyed and they had no place to stay, so they're living in the barn in the beginning of Samang where we gave out the rice. So if you want to see that family, that was the first time we gave them rice, if you want to be familiar with their faces. Anyway, I'll just turn around and kind of show you the houses and I'll talk with them. I imagine that most of this house was you know, knocked over or destroyed, and they're able to put on what they could just so it's not leaking and with the elements. So this is the first house. You can see they just have some really weak tent up there. This is just a tarp right there. So they just have a tarp right now covering it with some bamboo. So this is just temporary. Then they have like walls for the roof as well over here. Okay, anyway, so that's the first house, and we'll have a little chat with them. And then this is another house that one of the families is constructing right now. And I'll just go show you. This is their dirty kitchen. They have a young construction worker down there. And then this is where their house used to be. And you can see it got completely blown over. We actually came here before, maybe a couple of different times. One time my drone actually got stuck up there and a fellow local actually climbed their tree to get it for me, but now look at the tree. It's pretty sad looking right now. But anyway, this is where the second home used to be, and it completely got blown away. This was their dirty kitchen. Look at that. That's really too bad. So this is Robin, right? Okay, so we met him before and gave him rice, and this is where he's constructing his new house. And then is this your mother's house? Yes, mother's house. Okay, look at this. Oh my gosh, that's just too bad. So they're able to save a little bit of the roofing and put it back on. I'll kind of walk her over to the other side. And then this was another house. Was this another of your family? Richie, they moved away, right? Yeah. They don't live here any longer. Okay, so the family who did live here, you can see it was completely blown away as well. They did transfer. So there used to be 4 families, so now there's 3. So this is Robin's parents' house. You can see for the most part, on this side it looks okay. It looks like the side that didn't get finishing kind of just crumbled and fell apart. But this is still pretty strong. And this is some of the stuff that probably flew away on the other side. That's just too bad. Just look at that. I mean, it just crumbled. That's kind of one of the things here that I've noticed, is that the hollow blocks just aren't very strong. That's just too bad. All right, so we'll have a chat with the families and kind of get a feel for their situation. But look at this tree. If you remember what it looked like before, it was full. Like you went through here and it was a really cool spot to kind of sit away from the sun to get shade. Oh, it's completely gone. All right, hey guys, so we just showed all the houses here, and maybe we'll just talk to them, kind of know the situation, like with the typhoon and the night of it. Were you guys all in your homes the night of the typhoon?
Diri ra ba daw mo pagbagyo? Tiya.
Lakaw mi day. Pagula nay atop, diri unta mi. Pero pagula nay atop, nalakaw na mi. Nagad mi dito at bangay, Charlie.
They stayed here, but when the roof flew, so they ran around with flying roofs.
Where'd they go?
They went to their neighbors.
Wow. So, and then were you safe there? Their roof didn't fly off?
Okay ra dito, wala ra na.
Wala para man magkuan.
Yeah.
Wow, it's just like a matter of luck. Like you don't know where to go. I mean, there's roofs flying everywhere. And then Robin, were you in your home when the whole building fell?
Dira ra kasi mo inyuhang balaya kamo. They're all together here with
They
their
went to this
mom's
home.
house.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is Robin's parents' house. And then, are you brother and sister? Brother and sisters right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So you can see this is just kind of a bad area. Like all these homes were pretty much destroyed. And this one, luckily, is made out of cement. It was a little bit stronger. The other ones didn't really have a chance. Well, we're here today. My brother from another mother. I want to say thank you very much. He does want to help out with your situation. He wants to give you guys a little bit of cash to help with whatever you need. It looks like you might need a new roof, probably need a new back. This might not be able to pay for it all, but it can help, you know, with the starting. Well, your family here. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,000.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. And then for the
Chi.
hey buddy.
They're calling me Chi.
And then and how many people are staying here? 4 people?
Pila mo kabag diri nay?
Puan. 4.
Ay, tiya.
Yeah.
4
4
people. Yeah.
Okay. And then your house, is that the one over there? The first one? Okay, how many people are staying there? 5? Okay. It looks like at least there's kind of a place to stay. It looks like you need a roof and some walls. Well, anyway, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,000 for your family. You're very, very welcome. And then Robin, his whole house was destroyed. You can see there's nothing left. And where are you staying right now?
Asa man mo magtulog pa karon?
Diri pa sa amo gabi karon ato ko ni sila.
Sometimes here or sometimes to her sister.
Okay. So right now he doesn't really have a place to stay. He's staying with his neighbors or with his family. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10,000 for you. You're very welcome. You're very welcome. You guys are very, very welcome.
Kapag ka ba sa gid kaglubi anak ben. Oh, niya palit sa bungbong.
They will get materials.
Awesome. That's what we want to see. We want to see you guys get your houses rebuilt. Because this is so devastating. I mean, driving through here, I mean, all the homes are just destroyed. So at least, but if you guys ever need help getting materials, I know that they do have motorbikes, so they can drive. But if you ever need help with anything, getting materials, bringing it back, any of that stuff, just let me know.
Ina lang may kumupat mong materials or wala mo ika. Nakay motorya na? Wala. Ina lang kumupat kag materials kay mo driver si Dustin.
Kung giwas sa bagyo na ipalit ko na yung block. Yapi ko.
Yeah, they will try to renovate their house by materials.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Oh, siminto. Salamat
Yeah,
kayo.
This is my brother from another mother, so thank you, brother from another mother. All right, so thank you guys very much. It's a big thank you to my subscribers. They are really amazing. They see my videos and they, you know, just are amazing at helping. So thank you guys very much. So I guess we'll say goodbye for now, and then hopefully they can get going on some of the things, the projects. Thank you guys for your help, and we'll let them go. And thank you guys very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat kayo.
Sa pa si mong dog?
How were your dogs during it?
Kumusta inyo iro pag bagyo?
May isa patay.
Oh, one died.
Oh, one? That's too bad.
Ang ito'y upat.
4 puppies?
Oh, nya. Duha ka kat.
2 cats. Yeah.
2 cats and 1 dog?
2 cats, 1 dog, and 4 puppies.
4 puppies, so 5 dogs and 2 cats. That's too
Isa
bad.
na lang ka pa. Kat na akong gamay. Ito'y, no. Isa na lang.
Only one survived.
So, nani, namatay.
Cat.
Oh, it's a
Gamay pa.
kitten.
Gamay pa kayo na ito. Okay.
Cute.
Kanilang iton. Nagwapambukang mata. Akong gilalin eh.
Did his mama survive?
Died. Nabuhay ang mama? Yeah.
The mama? Very good. At that age, if I still need milk.
Pinangga kayo ni nako. Iduog ko ning matulog.
What's his name?
Kuan, Cindy.
Cindy.
Cindy. Last name Odette.
Nicer than my name.
Ayang mama si Kuan. Kini.
Mama.
Lindsay.
Lindsay. Cindy Lindsay.
Paano iring dito sa ato ng tama? Si Lindsay. Ay, pinangdo ng nanay ko.
Humot ka.
Nanay.
Nay, humot kayo.
Ako maning dalhon. Isuod ko ni
Imagine, she has baby, kids running. Here's the mama.
Eh, mama iring.
So the night of the typhoon, you had to carry your child all the way across to your neighbor's house? Wow, just imagine that. With the storm so strong, like that wind was so strong. And it's pitch black.
Kuya, wala pinamapulay ito sa hapon niya.
They said all their clothes are wet, so they are asking for clothes to their neighbors.
Wow.
And they said their clothes they saw
Flying away?
Yeah.
Were you guys able to salvage or save any of your
No,
clothing?
nakuha niyo ba niyo sa nina nga nalupad? Yeah. Some.
Some of it? I mean, something like this, I mean, their house gets blown over. They pretty much had to start from over. Like, probably your TV was, if they had a TV, probably the dressers, the things inside, you know, everything that goes along with what's inside your house.
Palit ka.
Umalagi din yung balay. Nanay, para kanang palit bunggong, para paggapas sa lubi.
For the wall. Good. They're very happy.
Good.
Thank you.
That's very good. All right. That's what this channel's about. So thank you guys very much for helping with this kind of things. All right, I guess we'll carry on and we'll let them be, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm with Joletta and Jonah May, and that's the mother and that's the daughter. So we actually gave them both, I think, 500 pesos last time, and they unfortunately both lost their houses. This is Joletta's house here, and her husband actually built the CR for Dodo. It's just too bad. So their house is pretty much completely gone. And we were here before and we heard their story about the typhoon. So if you want to check out that video, if you want to know more about the family and their night of the typhoon. But this is what they're able to save from what was lost. And then the daughter, she lost her whole house too. And then they were able to save some of the materials and build what they could. Maybe on the way out, we showed their house already, but maybe on the way out we'll kind of show the house again. We parked the moped here. But last time, we did give them 500 pesos each.
For her is rice.
Okay, yeah, we had two different things. First we're doing rice, and then we're doing 500 pesos. So this time we'll give them a little bit more, and this is from my brother from another mother, so thank you very much. We have 5,000 pesos, and you guys can split. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for both of you to help with materials or food, however you guys know how to spend it, so it's up to you how you want to spend it. But how's everything going since the last time we saw you?
Kumusta man daw mo sa nga tong kuan?
Okay ra ba ya?
Yeah, they're okay.
Is your roof leaking at all?
Imong atop wala ra to mo to imong atop katong gibalin naman. It's good.
Init
Yeah.
lang kayo.
It's
Just
really
in it.
hot. Yeah, I mean this stuff, it's good because it's actually pretty thick and pretty durable and flexible. It's probably even better than tin maybe, I don't know. But it looks like there's no holes, but I think the downside is it's really hot with that. It's like an oven. They got on the walls too.
Tulok kay ni amo ato pag-uwan, ang lingkod
Last-
is daplin. Kay dagan
Here.
buslot.
Her house leaking.
Here, and this one
Dere,
is?
dere.
Tulok kayo atong subuan. Ang lingkod ra sa daplin.
Because this one is not really one size, it's just pieces.
Okay, so probably the gaps, the rain will find a way to get in. So, is your plan eventually to rebuild there?
Nagplano ka tingay mo nga ano. Last time we talked, she said, yeah.
You should,
yes,
yeah, okay.
Ato di ato lagi ang tong tanan, pamikahoy, pamisil. Ako naman tong ipabarok ang ligi, pero ano gyud mi kahoy?
They're slowly getting materials
Yeah.
like woods.
Coming here, I actually had no idea if 1 or 2 families were gonna be here. So that actually, 5,000 for one family, so I'm just gonna give another. So you can keep that one.
Imuha lang na, di lang mo to nga.
I didn't know if there's gonna be 1 or 2 families here. I thought there's just gonna be one. So I'm gonna give another 5,000 to you, just so because both their houses were destroyed. 1, 2, 3. I have to get my wallet. Sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for you, for your house. And I mean, that's probably gonna go quick. So you have a lot to do, and then you have a lot to do too. So hopefully that helps with you guys getting some materials or some food, whatever you guys need. So I don't know, I guess that's about it. Last time we did talk about their situation of the typhoon, their whole night, and each one is kind of unique. If you guys do want to check out that video, we did meet them before. But I just want to get this to them as soon as possible so they can start to rebuild what they lost. But I'm glad everyone's safe. That's kind of the major thing. Everyone was pretty much unharmed, and everyone's safe. But hopefully with that, it helps a little bit. So thank you, everyone. Thank you guys very much. You guys are amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I guess... So we'll let them be, and we'll see you guys later. So take care. Bye-bye. Alright, hey guys. So we're with Alice. The last time we were here, we gave them 500 pesos. Their house was completely destroyed. If you can turn around for a second and just kind of show. So last time we gave them a little bit of relief, and this time we're back again. We have a gift from Dina, so thank you very much, Dina. This is 5,000 pesos for your family.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can use that for materials or food. You know what best you need.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. And thank you very much, Dina.
It's a big help.
I'm glad. I'm glad. All right. Well, this is a quick little visit. Last time we visited them, they kind of talked about their typhoon experience, and you know, you can just kind of see what happened. Their whole house was destroyed, and then what was left over, they were able to build this. So hopefully with that, they can get some things to help rebuild or some food. But Alice, it was really good seeing you again. I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. You're very welcome. And thank you, Dina. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am Dina.
All right, so I guess we'll carry on, and thank you very much to everyone. We really, this is amazing. So I guess we'll just carry on. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you ninyong duha, sir.
You're very welcome. All right, guys, this is Jonah Mee's house. Joletta was her mother. That's the one we were just up there before. But you can see her house was pretty badly damaged. And then some of the stuff they're able to save, they did build this. But the problem with this, what they set up there, it turns your house into an oven. So on hot days, just imagine how hot that is. It's like black, so it absorbs all the heat, all the sun. But it is pretty durable. I mean, as long as it doesn't overlap where water can get in, if it's just this, at least no water will get in. But they're very resourceful. They were able to save what they could and built this. And then they have their kitchen in their eating area. So this is probably the end of today. It's getting dark. It's starting to get late now. But anyway, thank you again to everyone. This is amazing. This is helping out a lot of people, and I don't know what else to say. What else to say? You guys are amazing. So thank you guys so much. But I guess this is the end of the video. Richie and I are gonna probably go get something to eat now, and then yeah, that's about it. It's a really nice night. That breeze feels really, really good.
I want to say thank you to them.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, showing their faces, happy faces when they receive a gift from you guys. It's like, wow, it's a goosebump.
It really, really is. And another good thing, there was the government here. They're making a list today of some of the families in the area that lost everything. So they are getting additional help. So shout out to the government of Philippines. You guys are amazing too. So it's just, you know, we're trying to help to get them a little bit quicker, because the government, I mean, they have a lot of houses to go to. So shout out to everybody who's helping. This is amazing. So I guess we'll just carry on, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
God bless.
All right, yeah, you guys take care. Bye-bye.